So I've been taking these Triphala tablets for a couple of weeks now, and the number one thing that I like about these is that they work. Okay, like I will normally take one or two in the evenings. I take two when I've had like a lot of heavy eating that day. I will say like this is obviously not going to replace, you know, eating foods that are good for your digestion, because I notice like if I have a day where like I don't have many fruits or vegetables, you know, fiber, anything like that, sometimes I still don't go in the mornings. But whenever I'm just eating regularly, right, I'm not like traveling or taking a trip. Um, yeah, these are so solid. But it's not like a laxative, which I like. It's just it feels more just like a natural way to keep things moving. I do wish that they were capsules. So they are not capsules. This is what the actual tablets look like. They're not hard to swallow. It's just, I think in general, a capsule is easier to swallow than a tablet. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're not, you know, they're not super big. I would say they're just like the average size. But either way, like I said, they work. And I have used different brands of Triphala before, so I love that this one was like really affordable, and I still got the same results. Like I don't feel like I sacrificed, even though the price was lower. So yeah, overall, I would recommend grabbing some of these if you want you know, just like a smoother digestion without going as far as something like a laxative.